What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing hostile CatNap from the smiling critters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the nose. We're going to start with the top edge with a curve. From left to right, going up and then down. Now on the ends, we're going to bend the bottom of the nose coming down and in toward the center point. And then we'll fill the center of the nose in black. Let's go to the outside point of the nose. We're going to draw the bottom of the eyes. We're going to come down and then bend that up towards the side. Now going back to the left side, we're going to draw the top of the eye with a circle. We're going to go all the way around towards the top, come down and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming in, going up towards the same height, and then back down. Let's add 2 circles in the center of each eye. And we'll add a small black dot in the middle of the pupils. Now from here we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start from the center of the nose. Start with the left side. Coming down, we're going to add a fold. Going up, and then do the same thing on the right. Now from the end we're going to step down, go out, and then up towards the corner of the mouth. Now we're going to open up the mouth. Let's start from the left side right about here, then it's in, come all the way down towards the chin. Do the same thing on the right, coming in, then down, and it will round out the bottom. Let's wrap that cheek around the corner of the mouth. On the left side, we're going to step up, start by bending this out and up, round up the cheek, come around the corner of the mouth, and then in. Let's line this up on the right, going out and up, round up the cheek, and then bend that in. Let's follow that curve of the mouth coming all the way down towards the chin. Start with the left side, coming all the way down. Go back to the left side, round up the chin, and go up on the right. Now you want to fold that brow above the eyes. Let's start on top of the left cheek. We're going to angle this up and in above the eye, and then bend that down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting on top of the cheek, coming in an angle, round up the brow, and then come down. Now we're going to close off the center with a curve, coming down and then up. Now on top of the brow, let's draw the inside of the ears. We're going to start on the left, bend this up, and then out. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to come down and then bend that in on top of the cheek. Now on the right side, we're going to come down about halfway. Let's add a notch with a half circle. Continue down and in. Let's go back up to the tip of the ears. We're going to add a fold. Coming in and then down. Now we're going to go back with a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes and the mouth. Now that we complete the head, let's hunch the back up. We'll start on the inside of the left ear. Start by bending this up and in. Go up towards the top of the spine. Round this out. And then come down towards the right. Now you want to do the same thing. We're just going to start by bending this out and then down in behind the ear. Now you want to draw the edge of the spine across the center. Let's start on the top, going up and then down. Step down and do that again, going a little bit smaller as you come down towards the head. Now we're going to bring the tail out from the right side. Let's start from the side of the center spine. We're going to go up and then down. Now we're going to step up I just want to repeat this, just layering the spine across, going in behind the ear, and then going out, and starting to go up. Now we're going to start to curl this back in. So adding these smaller spines, going up toward the top to right about there. Now from here, it's going to bend the tail, going up and in. Let's round up the end of the tail. It's going to taper it so it gets wider as you come back down and then in behind the ear. Now I want to go back and add a couple ribs on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the ear, going up and in. Step out and draw that again. Now we're going to move down and draw the top half of the legs. We're going to start on the left side, bend this out and then down, line it up on the right side. Let's round out the bone and go up on the outside. Now with these legs, you just want to push it in along the center. So let's start back on the left, pull this in, go up underneath the head. Let's tuck the bottom half of the legs underneath. We're going to start from the inside, again just bulging out the top, tapering down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the ankle, go up on the outside. Then again, we just want to pull this in toward the center, go back out, and then in behind. Now I want to tuck the hands and claws in underneath. Let's start from the inside, bend this out and then down. Let's round out the thumb, come up and out. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming around and then out. Let's tuck the claw in underneath. Come down and in, taper that back up. Now we're going to add 3 large claws along the outside. Let's start with the first one. We come all the way around and then down towards the tip of the claw. Go up, round up the claw, and then come back down. Let's layer 2 more claws along the outside. Starting from the side, going out and then down. Go up, and tuck that in behind. And we'll do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we just want to close off the top of the hand with a curve, going up and then down. Now let's draw on the hind legs. We're going to start with the top half. We're going to start from the side of the ear, bend this down and then out. Let's round up the base, pull this in. Now again, we're just going to taper this up and then in behind the head. Now we're going to bend the bottom half of the legs in. So we're going to start up here, start by coming in and then down. Just pull that in behind the front leg. Let's go to the outside. Going out, again just pinching it in towards the middle, come down and then in behind. I want to draw the same feet in behind. So let's start with that inside toe, starting up here, and this in, and then back out. Let's tuck the claw in behind, coming down, and then back up. Now let's draw on the outside claws. We're going to start from the side, going out and then down, go up toward the top of the claw, and then bend that back down. Let's line that up on the right. Now we're going to add 2 more claws along the outside. Let's start from the side, going out, go up, and then down. Now let's close off the top of the feet. and it'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw hostile catnap from the Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.